How old do you want to live until? It's interesting. Nobody says anything about living to 100 years old at all. Let me start with a question. How old do you want to live until? It's interesting. Nobody says anything about living to 100 years old at all. What is it about not living into 100 years old? Because you don't want to live until if you're not healthy. What you do today affects who you will become in the future. If you want to be active, if you want to be relaxing, a lot of this depends on what you are doing today. A lot of time people think that retirement age is a new phase of life where everything begins again. Everything's like, wow, I'm going to do this and this and this when I retire. Even for me, one of the things that I often dream of and imagine doing is I want to be able to hike, but the thing is, am I doing that requires me to build and to strengthen myself today in order for me to be able to hike when I am, let's just say, 60? And the answer is, maybe I can do a lot more. This is something that I would like to make sure that you have this in mind, that whatever you do today, it's going to affect who you are in the future and in your retirement as well. And if you want to have a healthy retirement and to relax and everything, I think we need to start planning today. No matter how old you are today, right? Whether you're 20s, 30s, 40, the retirement plan can start now. Retirement can be a rather creative and energizing time. That is one part of the retirement that people look into, that yes, it's going to be something that I look forward to. I can do more or I can do less and do things that I want. At the same time, people dread retirement because it can be a time of sadness, saying goodbye to a lot of things in their life, more risk of health issues, and also financial strain. Let us check in. What is the life expectation of people in Singapore right now? At this moment, the number that we're looking at is 83.66. It has increased over the year by a little bit.